Hello student, exercise 3.4, example 11 to 13, chapter 3rd, pair of linear equations in two variable. Example 11, which is most important example, is on your screen. The ratio of the income of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. If each of them manages to save rupees 2000 per month, find the monthly income. Let the ratio of their income is x. Then income of first person, (9x), income of second person, 7x. Ratio of their expenditure, that is rupees, that is y. Then expenditure of first person, 4y. Expenditure of second person, 3y. According to question, 9x minus 4y equals to 2000. 7x minus 3y equals to 2000, equation 1, equation 2. Now we will solve it. Multiply the equation number 2 by 4 and 1 by 3 using elimination method. 27x, 3 4 ja 12, y equal to 6000. 28x minus 12y equals to 8000. Change the sign. Cut. X is equals to 2000. Now we put x in equation number 1. पुट कीजिए. 9 into 2000 minus 4y equals to 2000. Solving simple. Variable term left hand side, constant term goes to right hand side, minus किया. Then ratio of the expenditure is 4000. We have to find the monthly income. Monthly income of first person, that is 9 into 2000 makes 18,000 rupees, and monthly income of second person, 7 into 2000 makes 14,000. That is your required answer. Example number 12. Use elimination method. Solve these two equations. Multiply equation 1 by 2. Equation 1, equation 2. 2 2 ja 4x, 3 2 ja 6 equals to 16. You can multiply in the rough. Second statement will same. Change the sign. Here both the variable cut. 0 is equals to 9, which is not possible, because we know that 0 is not equals to 9. Hence the equation having no solution. Hence equations having no solution. Next, example 13, which is most important example of this exercise. The sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. If the digits of the number differ by 2, find the number and how many such number are there. Let unit digit x, tens digit y, number obtained ten into tens place plus unit place makes 10y plus x. By reversing means to say interchange अदला बदली करना. After interchange, unit digit y, tens digit x, number is 10x plus y. Sum means to say sum of this number and after interchanging the number. According to question, 10y plus x, 10x plus y equals to 66. Solving, take common 11, x plus y equals to 6, equation number 1. Now, the digit of a number differ by 2. Differ means to say difference. Here are two cases. Case 1, that is, हो सकता है कि x बड़ा हो, x is greater than y, then the equation is x minus y equals to 2. Let maybe x is less than y, then y minus x is equals to 2. Total number of equations 1, 2 and 3. First we will solve first and second, then solve first and third. Equation 1, x plus y equals to 6. Equation 2, simple solving using elimination method. Put this x in equation number 1, x plus 4 equals to 6. Then x is 4. X is 4. Then y is 2. Number becomes 24. Then solve first and third. Plus y minus x, change it into standard form. Cancel. 2y is equals to 8. Y becomes 4. Then put it in first. X is equals to 6 minus 4 makes 3. And the number is 42. That is your required answer. Student of class 10, in this chapter, pair of linear equations in two variable, so many types you are solving, like digits वाले क्वेश्चन हैं, एज वाले क्वेश्चन हैं आपके पास. अब अभी आपके पास आगे आएंगे स्पीड और टाइम के क्वेश्चन, डाउन स्ट्रीम, अप स्ट्रीम, वर्क. तो यू हैव टू कंसंट्रेट with the question. Thank you. Have a nice day.